Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be the first video in my declutter series. I am going to be going through every single item that I own and decluttering it. I know that going through every single item that I own is going to be a huge and daunting task, but I really enjoy decluttering and just kind of having a fresh new start to whether it be the year or whether it be like a new chapter in your life. I am at that point right now where I have too much stuff and I just want to get rid of a ton of it because I don't use so many products and so many clothes. It just is a waste, and so I want to get rid of a lot of those things. I've been recently really into the Konmari method, and if you guys don't know about Marie, she is a Japanese woman who is she's a professional in the art of tidying, I guess is what you could call her. I have so many products in here that I never use, and so I wanted to go through this first. This video is going to be my bathroom declutter, but I'm going to break it up into two sections. One, I'm going to do like my everyday skincare products, and then the rest is going to be my hair care, my hair tools, my candles I keep in here, my nail polish, all of my samples. Some of the samples and things like that are actually skincare, so we'll touch on that today. The first step in the KonMari method is to take every single thing out of its section. So whether it be out of a closet, whether it be out of a cupboard or a drawer, you have to take it out and lay it out. So what I'm going to do, because there's not enough room in this bathroom to put everything out on the counter, I'm actually going to put everything in this huge, what do you call this, laundry basket, and then take it over to my other room where I'm going to sort things into keeping or getting rid of. And most of the products that I'm getting rid of, I'm actually gonna give to friends, so I'm gonna put that in a separate pile for them. I've told my friends that I'm doing this and they're super excited to come over next week to kind of go through all my stuff. They're gonna bring things that they're getting rid of, and it's gonna be kind of like a party of like skincare and decluttering things, so it's gonna be so much fun. You guys should do it with your friends too. So now I'm gonna take out every single product and put it in that bin. Okay, so I already have one full basket filled to the brim. Like, this is crazy, and I still have 1.5 more shelves to go. So I'm gonna take this into the other room and then grab the rest of the stuff and then start decluttering before I open this one, because I feel like this is a lot to do in one day. So I'm just going to take all this first and then see how far we get. Everything's out of every shelf. I clearly have to clean it out before I put everything back in, but the first step is done. So an hour and a half later, I have gone through all of the products in the bathroom that I want to declutter, and this is the basket that I will be giving away to friends because these products are brand new or have been lightly used. So I will be giving these away to them and donating the rest. So now that I've gone through every single product that I own, I made sure that I had a place for it when putting it back. So at the top left here in this little blue bin, these are all of my repurchases. These are bottles that are completely full and not opened yet. So once I run out of shampoo or shaving cream or whatever it is, I can just go into here, and because I don't use this as often, I put it at the top shelf. And next to it is Wes's hair cutter, and I put that at the top because he can actually reach the top shelf easily, so I figured he can utilize the space up high. And now on the second shelf on the left here, we have this black IKEA container where I have all of our medication, Tylenol, Midol, Gravol, all of those sorts of things. We have Band-Aids in there, and then we have our Q-tips, which we use all the time, and then my cotton rounds, which I use for my night routine. And then continuing down here on the left, we have all of our hair tools, hair dryer, curler, straighteners, and then this IKEA container on the right houses all of my samples. The back there is sheet masks, and then I have hair and skincare in the middle, and then I have bigger tubes with my shower cap, and then I have a bar of soap with some nail files and some travel cotton swabs in there. The key here is that every single item has a spot for it. No small items are just out loose. And then there's no products at the back of the shelves either because they go really deep. So sometimes the products that get back there, they aren't being found in a very long time. So it's good to keep everything up front and in a container where you know where it is. And then the last shelf that I ended up doing was the hair shelf because some of the hair products ended up being in the other one, so I figured I might as well just do all of it. So on the left here I have all of my sister's products, and then on the right I have all of mine. I wanted to separate those and make sure that she actually wanted all of those products on the left, and so these are all the products that I have here. This is a much more shallow shelf, so I wasn't able to put any containers, but as you can see, everything seems to be organized well with the tall items at the back and the smaller items at the front, so everything can be visible. And then I also stacked some items in the middle there, the cream and then the two face masks on top. Before I forget, I thought you guys might want to see all of the items that I got rid of. This full garbage bag, which is so cool. I'm so happy to get rid of all of this crap.